The 4-hour workweek. Escape 9 to 5, live anywhere, and join the new rich. What is the new rich? There are 3 definitions. You can arrange your schedule and use 10% of your time to obtain 90% of your work. You reduce the unprofitable projects and outsource jobs. You have a regular job with a 2-hour side project earning thousands a month. If you have 2 friends, A earns 30,000 per month and B earns 70,000 per month, which is richer? Of course, B is richer. If working hours of A is 20 hours per week and B only work for 70 hours per week, who is richer now? A earns 1.5 thousand per hour and B earns 1,000 per hour. If B lives in a region with high consumer price index, which friend is richer now? Probably friend A is richer. This is the difference between absolute income and relative income. The absolute income of B is twice that of A, but when talking about relative income, A earns more than B. Also, A may have more time to do what he wants. Then how to do it? You need to create products and sell it. However, there are not physical products. Take YouTube as an example. Try to think what hobbies you have. If you like handmade crafts, you can simply take videos about the process of making those crafts and upload to YouTube. Then you can get advertising revenue. You can also sell the craft. If you like video games, you can upload your gameplay to YouTube or do streaming. You can also get advertising revenue. Or you can promote the video games and the gaming gears. Many people are doubtful about these methods because they don't know about Google advertising system and affiliate marketing. If you are these people, it is difficult to create products to sell, and this is the reason we have to learn. It may take a few months or a year to learn the system. Then you take a year to try and fail. Once you know more about the system, you may need to adjust your strategies. If you don't want to spend 2 years, there's an alternative. That is, go back to your work and work for 40 years until retirement. This book also suggests 2 important methods: elimination and outsourcing. Even if you can create products, you should know about these strategies so that your working hours can be reduced. Elimination. To execute elimination, you need to apply 80-20 rule. Let's say you are going to promote an online shopping platform and attract traffic. After using different advertising tools, you may discover that 80% of your traffic is attracted by 20% of the advertising tools. What will you do now? You just need to focus on that 20% of advertising tools, and it will maximize the effect. This is 80-20 rule. Next, outsourcing. You can find some virtual assistant to do some simple jobs, just like someone will hire a domestic helper to do the housework. The concept of outsourcing may not be accepted easily, but if you try outsourcing, you will learn more, like which tasks should be outsourced. Through these 2 strategies, you can build up the system and reduce your working hours. Someone argues that this book is not true, since they can work only 4 hours per week. Please pay attention. What we need to learn is the mindset. That is, you should choose to do something important and gain more freedom.